Hey guys, welcome back to the Thrifty Christian YouTube channel. In this video, I want to demonstrate how I fill an order for an item that I sold on Mercari. I bought it, or I'm going to buy it from eBay, and I'm going to have it sent to a customer on Mercari. So it's a dropship item from eBay to Mercari. And one of the reasons why I'm doing this video is not because I'm trying to brag. I'm not trying to boast about the profit margin that I'm making off of this. But I just wanted to kind of show the handful of subscribers that have subscribed to me because of some of the drop shipping that I do. I know I don't go into a lot of detail. I know there's a lot of information that people are trying to keep secret. Like basically you want to keep your store secret, you know, and you want to try to keep your items, what you're drop shipping, you know, those type of items. You want to keep certain things a secret. But one of the main things that I don't like whenever I've watched other YouTubers talk about how much money they're making from drop shipping, one of the things that I didn't like and I don't like to this day is the fact that they don't reveal an accurate profit margin. Like they'll say, you know, I'm making X percent. Well, X percent doesn't tell me anything unless I can actually get all of the numbers to figure out what X percent is. So in this video, I just kind of wanted to show you how much money I've made off of just one little item, and to, like I said, not brag, but just kind of like give you the example, give you the rundown, and to answer maybe some other questions that people have. So in this video, I've sold this little bitty little flag here, and I'm gonna go over, I'm gonna just explain to you real quick how I do this. So within this listing, there's a number associated in the description, and that number is going to basically tell you where the item is on your spreadsheet. So real quickly, 120, there's the item in green on my spreadsheet. And in my spreadsheet, I've got the amount that I've paid for it and the amount that I'm selling it for. And I also keep photos in my spreadsheet. So when that item gets sold, I can turn around and relist it again rather quickly. So yes, it is a manual job. It's not something that's done like with all the software out there, because no one has started building this software for Mercari yet. So being that no one's, you know, building the software for it, it means that it's a prime source for you to be able to, you know, drop ship to and sell items on. Now, in some of my other videos, you've probably seen where I've talked about the benefits of selling on Mercari and multiple platforms to offset some of your stale sales on eBay or Poshmark per se. So let's just jump over real quick to eBay, and you'll see there's the little flag. I am going to now purchase the item. I will block out her information there. You can see over here that the item cost is $3.94. Okay, that's what I'm going to pay for the item. Let's go back to Mercari, and right here in some details, I'm going to have to block some of this information out as well. I hope I can keep some of it open so you can see. But right here, the item sold for $11. Okay, down here, there's a shipping fee that is excluded because it's free shipped. The selling fee is $1.10. Pretty simple to figure out. It's 10% of the cost. I make $9.90. So real quick, you can you can figure out my cost was $3.94. So I made $5.96 just off of the sale here. Okay. Another thing is that over here to the right, you can see that giving assistant cash back is blocked. And that's okay. I mean, I can still open that up and get 2% cash back, but I'm going to purchase this item using my PayPal MasterCard, which gives me 2% cash back. And also, the reason that I have it in the spreadsheet over here is because all of these links right here in blue, these rover links, are all affiliate links. And I'm buying it through an affiliate link, so I'm going to get a small commission back on that as well. So there's ways to make a couple extra pennies off of a sale, depending on whether or not you're using affiliate links and or if you've set up an affiliate link account with eBay. So real quick, gonna go ahead and confirm and pay and get this underway. Hopefully they'll give me some tracking today, and there we go, all done. So now we'll get out of that, get back into this, get back into that. So now the order is placed, and now I simply just have to wait for them to give me tracking info, and then when I do, I will click OK item shipped. Then it will prompt me to choose the shipping service that I'm using, which will be USPS, and then I will I will copy and paste the tracking number, and that'll be it. And that order will be on its way. So guys, I hope this video encourages some of you guys out there. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. And for any of you new subscribers, I just want to thank you. Stick around. Let me know what it is that you're looking for when you subscribe to my channel, and I will focus on some particular videos that may help you out. If you got any questions, you can also email me at thriftychristian@gmail.com. Look forward to hearing from you. Thrifty Christian out.